Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're checking out CitizenM London Victoria Station. Let's dive right in. Located a mere 5-minute walk from Victoria Station, CitizenM is all about convenience and modern vibes. As soon as you step in, you're greeted by this cozy and colorful atmosphere that just feels so welcoming. Check-in is a breeze with their self-service kiosk. Literally took a minute, and if you need help, the friendly staff are right there for you. Now let's talk about the rooms. They are modern and clean with excellent tech features. You get an iPad to control everything from the blinds and TV to the mood lighting and temperature. The bed is large and super comfortable, though the room is a bit compact. There's a place for everything, including storage compartments under the bed for your luggage. And those blackout blinds, perfect for a great night's sleep. The bathroom setup is unique. There's a frosted glass wall around the shower and toilet, which might feel a bit exposed if you're not super comfortable with your roommate. The sink is outside the bathroom, which is handy when you need to multitask. The social areas at CitizenM are super inviting and perfect for relaxing or getting some work done. Being so close to Victoria Station means you're just a short walk away from iconic spots like Buckingham Palace and St. James Park. It's a fantastic base for exploring all that London has to offer. Overall, our stay at CitizenM London Victoria Station was excellent. The hotel style and tech-savvy features really stood out, and the location couldn't be better. It's reasonably priced and perfect for anyone looking to explore London with ease. Thanks for joining on this hotel tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy travels!